Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Berniel, applying as a mail helper, and I worked as a customer service agent for 3 years. That was my first job when I was 19. And the most important lesson I have learned so far is having lots of patience. Especially we are dealing with rude customers almost every day. And to also stay professional all the time. And now I am currently working as a barista at Seattle's Best Coffee, where I am assigned at different stations like cashiering and making coffee, espresso or brewed. And I also make blended drinks. And sometimes my manager assigns me at cleaning the bathroom and cleaning the dining area once our customers are already finished. And when it comes to cleaning, we use a towel system and we use commercial grade chemicals. And I am also assigned at the kitchen where I cook the food and I serve it directly to the customers in the dining area. And for my education, I graduated secondary school with additional trainings as a barista that is separate. And I also did the basic training for seafarers. Thank you so much, ma'am, sir, for this opportunity. And I am looking forward to helping you and your family with all your household needs.